Good afternoon, everyone. This is Byron Thomas Auto Sales in Scotland Neck, North Carolina. I'm bringing you a quick video walk around of this 2021 Nissan Altima SL. A really nice mid-size sedan loaded with options. Only 92,000 miles. We'll give you a quick walk around and point out some of the features. As you can see, this Altima has a really nice exterior finish. Kind of a dark blue or gray, I believe they call it cobalt blue, metallic finish. Overall, really nice condition. No rust, no corrosion, no major dents, just a ding or two here like you can see there on the rear fender. But overall, very minimal. Definitely well taken care of inside and out. Lots of chrome details. You see the dual exhaust, backup camera. Lots of great safety features too, which we'll be sure to point out. So a quick view of the interior on the driver's side. You can see it's in really above average condition. The leather's in great shape. See the headliner there with the sunroof. Nice big center console, large screen there with navigation, automatic climate control, plenty of steering wheel controls, cruise control, and as we mentioned, there's lots of great safety features, including blind spot monitoring, steering assist, lane departure warning, really all the modern features that come standard with the SL package. Here's a quick view of the back seat here. Again, you can see very clean, no rips or stains. And the leather upholstery comes with the original floor mats, also in good condition. Rear AC, no smoky smell or pet odor whatsoever. Here's a view of the passenger side in the front. Again, very clean. Both seats in the front are powered. Just lots of great details, nice wood grain here on the dash. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. Comes with the books. We've had it inspected and the oil changed. Definitely ready for the road. The quick view under the hood. No rust, no corrosion. This little 4-cylinder really runs smooth. Definitely good on gas as well, rated over 30 miles a gallon. Really nice set of wheels and tires too on this Altima. The SL, of course, comes standard with the 17-inch two-tone wheels. These are alloy wheels. All four in great shape, no rust, no corrosion. Just a couple of nicks here and there, I think, on one of the wheels, but again, nothing major. And then you get a really nice set of these Falcon Pro G5 tires. All four really have well above 80% left on the tread. Almost new, nice and smooth on the road. All right, everyone, thanks for checking out the video for this 2021 Nissan Altima SL with 92,000 miles. As we mentioned, this is a one-owner vehicle with a clean Carfax report, no accident history, loaded with options. Please check out our website, ByronThomasAuto.com, where you can find a link for this video as well as more pictures and information on not only this vehicle, but the rest of the inventory we have on our lot. And of course, you can send us a text or give us a call anytime at 252-567-3885. We'll be glad to answer any of your questions. Have a great day.